Namaskar friends, myself Deepak Kumar Rath. I welcome you all to the digital media of Uday India. Friends, today I am going to speak on our episode named Biswa Guru Bharat. Friends, why we had started Biswa Guru Bharat? The reason was we want to tell our people, we want to tell our younger generation, we want to tell the people of India that what steps India is taking, for which India's image has increased manifold world over in the field of economy, industry, military sector, and so on. Friends, today I will talk about how India is challenging the American dominance in global financial markets and how India has rattled American policymakers. Just think. The Unified Payments Interface, that is called as UPI system, that was launched by National Payments Corporation of India in 2016. It has emerged as a game changer in the Indian financial landscape. With its low cost, instant and inter-operable payment infrastructure, UPI has transformed the way Indians transact, paving the way for a cashless economy. However, what is even more surprising, that is how UPI has rattled America, a country known for its sophisticated financial system, and it has dominant role in global finance. Friends, UPI's success story is quite impressive because in the last 5 years, the system has processed over 25 billion transactions worth more than $1.5 trillion with a growth rate of over 500% year on the year. Friends, it has become the backbone of India's digital payment ecosystem that is accounting for more than 80% of country's mobile payments volume. Moreover, UPI's success has led to a surge in the number of digital transactions in India, reducing cash dependence and improving financial inclusion. However, UPI's success story is not limited to India alone. The system has gained international recognition and has been widely appreciated for its innovation and user friendliness. In fact, several countries including Singapore, UAE, Nigeria, they have replicated the UPI model to create their own instant payment systems. However, what is more interesting is that how UPI has impacted global financial landscape, particularly in the United States. Friends, UPI's impact in the global financial landscape is what has caused concern among some US policymakers. In fact, the US has long been the dominant player. You know it. US was a dominant player in global finance, with the dollar being the world's reserve currency and US's financial system being the most advanced and sophisticated. However, the emergence of UPI and other instant payment systems in other parts of the world threatens to disrupt this dominance. One way in which UPI could challenge the US dominance in global finance is by reducing the use of dollar in international transactions. Moreover, friends, UPI success could also challenge the traditional banking system dominated by big banks in the US. And UPI's low cost and user friendly payment infrastructure has already disrupted the traditional payment system in India, and that is reducing the dependence on credit cards and wire transfers. Friends, this has led to a surge in the use of mobile wallets and other digital payment platforms, creating a fertile ground for UPI-like systems in other parts of the world also. Friends, I must inform you that furthermore, UPI success in India could also give Indian companies a foothold in the US. Yes, it will give a foothold in the US market. And several US companies, including Google, Amazon, Walmart, they have shown interest in entering the Indian digital payments market, attracted by UPI's success stories. This is a great achievement. However, this could also work the other way around, with Indian companies using UPI to enter the US market. Finally, UPI's success could also challenge the US dominance in the fintech industry. Friends, the emergence of fintech has disrupted the traditional banking system in the US, with fintech companies offering innovative products and services that challenge the dominance of big banks. However, UPI's success in India has shown that fintech companies in other parts of the world can also create innovative payment systems that can compete with traditional players. And this could reduce the dominance of US fintech companies in the global market, and that would give rise to new players from other parts of the world. Friends, while the US policymakers are actively working to address these concerns, UPI's success in India has shown that it is possible to create a low-cost and efficient payment system that can disrupt the traditional players in the market. Friends, whenever, as in the beginning I told you, India has really in the right track, and I must say the way India is growing, its image is growing, its economic status, its financial status, its industry infrastructure, the way India has now reached a point and the whole world is looking, the whole world has a sharp eye on India. That is why nobody can stop India to be the Vishwaguru. That's all for today. Friends, I must request you all to subscribe Uday India and never forget to push the bell icon to get updates from Uday India Digital. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.